Okay, so I can tell you this now, that my real friends, they knew exactly what I was going through, and that I've been going through it for years with this fight, with calling the police all the time and stuff, with my family, with them treating me in a way that was really, really, really unfair. And now I'm hearing about people calling and talking about, oh, what's wrong with Julie? She must be crazy. She must be this. She must be that. Now listen to me. If I want to say something on Facebook, that's my business. I'm not saying anything to the people who are not saying anything to the people who are going on Facebook and they're showing you their lives and just where they're going, and who wants to see? I mean, I've never posted what I'm doing, where I'm going, what I'm enjoying, which flight I'm on, how good this oh, my family is doing this or that to show off. I've never been a show off person. And if I'm not judging you for what you are putting on Facebook, do not judge me for what I'm putting on there. If you don't like it, then get the fuck off my page. That's all I can say. You know, what you choose to do and what I choose to do, that's my business. I had reached a point where obviously it was too much for me, and that's why I put it there. And I've had the real people reach out to me and say, Julie, I can hear the pain in your voice. I can hear what you're going through. Now, the hypocrites who go behind and call and say, oh, she must be crazy, and why she put that out there on Facebook? Why you putting yourself on Facebook always having fun? I saw your life full of fun. You never have problems yet. Some of una nah put it because guess what? Una put all una husband and una hug up all the time, and the husband have all 10 woman a cheat. If I decide to speak the truth, that's my business. What you decide to hide is your business. I've even had a bitch who called my son's dad and told him I was going to go viral with a video with him. If I wanted to go viral about Rodney, I could have done that many years ago. In fact, a decade ago, because we leave from 2006. So whichever bitch this is, we said that, remember say, yeah, interrupt the relationship between him son and him, because me and him don't have nothing. So if I saw me, I look for beg it and leave my name out of it. And because of this, I was threatened by Rodney that he was gonna kill me for something I didn't even say. Now all I'm saying is that if you don't like that I got frustrated, let me tell you something. You weren't there. You weren't there when I had to call the police a million times. You weren't there when I took my bills and was paying it behind, wasn't even paying it behind my back, and then it run up to $100,000. You know that when them a disrespect me and tell me all kind of things. Well, this big old man who me look after all our life, I tear out all our body, and our daughter will need some good brassiere and them something they push me down in my yard. I may have to call police. No, one never did. I never call upon no. So if I get fed up, I want to make some things clear, I make it clear. And whoever don't like it, them just, that's just their business. Don't be calling and be chatting me behind my back. Say it to my face. Say it live. Say you never like it. About what am I doing and I must be crazy. I'm not crazy. I am not crazy. I'm quite sane. And I'm quite the person who does what is right, even when faced with people who are always doing wrong. I'm the person who lends that helping hand. What are you doing with your life? Why don't you go and show something else productive? Like how you can help people instead of showing off your life on Facebook and then judging other people with thinking that, you know, oh, this shouldn't be seen, like with your bourgeois self. Some of una now come from nowhere and una go like una no know remember when I come from. And I go and like, couldn't want to fight against people where I talk up. Me I talk up because I know what lies have been told about me and how it has affected my life. Like the bitch who tell my son's dad that I was going viral about him. Now suppose that death threat was real. Now listen, man, people need to stop. If I say what I have to say it to my face. Listen to what I'm saying and understand with clarity and understanding. And with the love that God give you to see through in your heart. And stop judging me. Because I do not judge you. And the Bible says, judge not lest ye be judged. People have to do different things in this life. Not everybody is a lawyer, a doctor. You have some people where them old shows, them a disc jockey. You have some people, my son want to build rhythms and be a promoter. So don't think you're better than people because you're doing certain things, or you're better than people because you're not putting certain things out there. Sometimes if all of you were to open your heart and speak the truth, while you lock up on the skeleton in a closet, worse than enough people. Worse. You'd be surprised. You'd be shocked. And most people that pretend out there, they are not really happy. They are unhappy because they're living a lie. They're not living the truth. So if I said something, if I got fed up and made a video about something, if you have something to say about it, say it to me. Don't go behind my back and chat and skin your teeth and still be my friend. Unfriend me then if you don't like what I put up. Now, but I stay upon it for watch my business. That's all I have to say.